What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. I would love to have you join the family and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thanks so much. If you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. So as you guys read by the title, this is a get it all done with me. I'm going to be adding in my new rug that I got to finish off this space in my living room area, just getting the rug situation together, adding in some new decor, and then also showing you guys my Christmas decor. So let's get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey guys, so the last time you guys saw me in my living room area, I was putting out a rug that looks just like this one, and I thought it would be big enough to fit, like fill up my whole little space there. But as you guys could see, it hardly covers it up, so I had to kind of slide it to the middle. But I went ahead and got another one that is the exact same, and I'm just gonna pair them together to kind of get the actual width and wideness to be able to cover up it like I want it. So that's what you guys see me doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, and hopefully it works this time and I don't have to worry about trying to find another rug. It's like trial and error, so we'll see.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Alright guys, so my camera kind of fell when I was actually placing it down. But guys, do you see this? I told you guys it was trial and error. These are not the same rugs. This is the one I just bought here that my foot is on. And then this is the one I bought before over here. But you know what, guys? I'm gonna leave it because I'm not mad at it. I think it still blends perfectly. I'm gonna leave it like this. Yes, it is two different carpets, but I still think it looks cute. And I feel like it adds a little, a different type of vibe. So I think I like it. I think I like it. I'm not mad at it. I did not intentionally do this. I did think it was the same rug. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's all I wanted was like a full-size rug to fill up this space. I'm not sad that it's two different rugs because it blends really, really good. Even though they're two different rugs, I think it looks cute. I think it kind of goes with like the contrast type of. I'm gonna put my table back on top of it.
I want to be enough for you, yeah. But it's just too much, I'm being rude, yeah. Think about it, cause I'm dying, baby. If you want it, you just have to take it. If you feel something, boy, you gotta tell me, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I'm stuck in it. I like but how you taste. Be the signs, I'll take a step for you. No, I like you.
Alright guys, so in this area here, I'm about to try something different. These two lamps here, I'm going to place, I'm gonna take this flower off and that lamp off because it's way too teeny tiny and it's driving me crazy. I'm gonna take this picture down, I'm thinking, and probably put it there above the television and put this mirror on this console table. So we're gonna try to work this out. I love how it has like a U shape. So you guys will be able to see that in a minute. The back of it screwed in, so take that out.
Anything I throw at that, and you got a little attitude, but you so cute when you rude. I can't even get mad at you. Like a fan, you keep me cool. Want you to feel it, want you to feel it, want you to feel it.
Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I think it's so cute. And of course I have to wipe it off because I kind of smudged it putting it up there. But now, guys, I'm just trying to figure out how to style it. I went ahead and added these books that I had until my other books come in, and a candle, and then these candle holders I got. They are so cute with a little bow on them from Ross. So I'm just going to kind of place them here to see how I like them. And I think they are pretty cute here, but I also have some other ones on my entranceway table that I want to kind of see how they would look. But I think I'm going to go with these. But this is the other one, the black ones that I might switch out. But I think I like this better. So this is how I styled it. I ended up adding my little wood Christmas houses on here as well. And they have these little tea lights in them that light up at night, which I think is going to be really cute. But so far, I really like this. And then I just swapped out the lamp that I had in my kitchen to here because I thought it looked better. And I am really loving the vibe. Everything turned out really cute. So this is what we have so far going on with the console table. And then I kind of placed this paper here on top of the book to just kind of, cover up the book until I get the other one. And then I end up taking that other picture and placing it over my fireplace here. And I think once I get done, everything is going to turn out so cute. I definitely have to finish Christmas decorating as well. My tree is also going to go in this area as well here. So I think it'll all tie in together. So I've got you guys propped up here. I'm about to redo all of my little seasonings. I ordered these little I bought these little glass seasoning things. And this is what they're currently looking like now. So this is all done. Of course, it came with way more seasonings than what I had, so I still have to get some more seasonings. There's actually some I ran out of, like lemon pepper. I know I have to get that, and some other seasonings that I use, so like chili powder, things like that. So I have to just stock up on those. And then also, guys, this little label thing didn't come with as many, like all the common spices, but like it doesn't have a label for like my salt, I think. And then this, it doesn't have a label for like seasoning salt. And so I'm probably gonna have to order some different labels. And if I can find some of the exact same, I'll just stick them on the rest of them. or I may end up switching them out, but I just think that looks so much better than how it was looking. It had gotten out of hand, and I like this much better. I have started to decorate for Christmas. So this is kind of what my countertop is looking like. I had these little reindeer on my console that I showed you guys that I just redecorated last year. But this year I thought they looked cute on the counter because I just got her and she is so cute for this year. My theme is kind of like a warm Christmas theme. And I'm doing like chocolate brown and wine and gold. And I'm just kind of incorporating that in. I need to go get another one of these stems. And I don't know if I'm going to keep the same base, but this is just the one I had for now. I think it looks pretty cute though. And I just want to put another stem in it. I think it looks cute with the 1, 2, but I'm just kind of thinking about putting another one in there. And I just have this same little tray here that I had out for fall decor, as well as this candle, because I feel like the leaves are kind of transitional, and I feel like it still goes with my theme. And this tray is so cute, so I just kind of set like a candle, an additional candle on top of it, and the little joy sign over here that I kind of had, I think, above my fireplace last year. But I thought it looked cute in the kitchen this time. And you guys seen that lamp that I took out of the living room. I just added it to the corner over there. I have a little arrangement on my table over there with pine cones in it. I love pine cones at Christmas time. And if we get really close up on it, you guys can see that the leaves kind of have like a little sparkle and shimmer to them. So I thought that was really cute as well. And then I have this wreath on my door here. I did purchase some like chocolate brown bows that I am going to put on the tree, but I'm thinking if I have extra, I want to add one to this wreath here. And then also above my cabinets here, guys, I kind of start to put my garland out, and I'm thinking about putting some more decor up there as well. I just don't know what I'm going to add up there yet. So that's pretty much all I've done in the kitchen area. And I think, guys, one of my favorite spaces right now is my entranceway. When you first come in the house from the front door, I added this garland here, and I have these bells. They're so cute. I freaking love them. And I just added that to the garland. I think it is just so cute, like when you first enter the home. And then also I got this wreath here. It's kind of like a frosted wreath. I was trying to figure out where to put it because I only had one of them. And I was thinking about going back and get another one and adding them like on the cabinets around my kitchen. But then I decided this needed something, so I added that there. And then on my table, I just added this little flower arrangement and removed like the other decor that I had. Still have my same candles because we're going with like chocolate brown, gold, deep green, wine as the theme this year. And so I've started to, as you guys saw, put my garland and then my little stuff over there. And then outside, guys, this is how I did my door. I think it is so cute. I just added like some gold and silver garland, and then I tied those bows to the end of them. I have a bow on the porch here, and then I have my little centerpiece there, and then this situation over here. You can't really see it because it's dark.